ठीक है ना। हाँ, खोलो उसको। वो शेयर करो ऊपर का जो आ रही है। वहाँ पे ग्रुप में डाल दो और अपने लिए पेज पे कर दो ताकि वो कमेंट्स आ पाए। नहीं, वहीं पे कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो ना, लिंक जो भी शेयर किया था।
और यहाँ पे
हाँ, पेस्ट कर दो ना वहाँ पे हाइपर लिंक। ऊपर 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 यहाँ वहाँ पे ऊपर यहाँ पे वहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दो। ठीक है।
So good morning everyone. Today we will look like what was the impact of Maharashtra election and how the market unfolds in the future. So I am Aditya and I have 6 years of experience in financial market, and from last 3 years I am serving in the broking and financial industry. Okay, I have expertise in portfolio management, equity, commodities, and forex trading. So today we will look at the market trends which is going on. Okay, and we will also look our the past results which we have achieved in the stocks recommendation and everything you want to know about the market. So basically we will come at the Nifty. Okay, we'll first look how the market is performing. The market is not that good as of now. It has opened a gap up today, but it's falling short now. Okay, like we can see there was a gap up opening of few points, but it started going down as of now. Okay. Also, we look like how was the market yesterday. Yesterday, the market was very good. It was closed down around 1.5%. Okay, it was closed up above 1.5%, and all the stocks were going really good. Okay, we can see that there was top performing sectors in our industries. So now we will look how the stock is performing. Okay, we have provided you some stocks, the updated stocks with us. So we have update on that. Uh, Now we will look the NFL. Like you can see, we have already achieved our mark 5% profit mark in NFL. As of now, it was trading at 115 and above. Okay, and the 5% profit mark was achieved from our given call. As you can look, we had a call on NFL at 110 and 113, and the 5% profit level was at 116 and 120. So we have achieved our first 5% profit mark. Now we will look into its technical, like how we are able to give such a good calls to each and every one of you. We have achieved our profit margins from long, and we are able to provide 168 168% profitability in last 2 months with closing of 29 trades. back. Okay, we have achieved a remarkable 168% profit by all this recommendation we have provided to you. We can see the profit margin ranged from 6 to 10%, and the minimum profit margin was 5% for each and every stock exit we provided. Even we uh, gave 11% return in some stock and 7% return, 6% return. It was the average of 5 to 6% return in each and every stock, up to 11%, going up to 11% in Utsav, okay, and 10% in Ballyboy. So till now we have closed 29 trades in last 2 months, and we have achieved a profitability of 168%. As you can see, we are providing a very dedicated research to each and every one of you, okay, and we believe that we will be providing it for the further future also. Now we will unfold how the market is going to be. As we can see, there was a Maharashtra election. As you can, there are Maharashtra election, so we will look into the impact of it. Okay, now now we will look what holds after the Maharashtra election. Uh, as we can see how BJP led NDA Maharashtra victory could impact market on Monday. Key factor explained. As you have seen yesterday only how it has impacted the market. Everything was going well in the market after the BJP government win. I will explain you the factors why the BJP win was a very crucial for the market as of now. As we know, the Maharashtra holds a very good chunk of our economy, and all the major trading units and trading like BSE and Sensex, BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 are located in Mumbai. So it has a very great impact, and it is also the financial capital. The Mumbai is located in Maharashtra. So we have a good impact of Maharashtra and Indian economy. So like BJP is in central government, as we know, the BJP-led alliance NDA is in central government. So if it comes on Maharashtra, as of now, okay, with a fine majority in India, so it's a very good sign for the stock market because most of the companies operates from Mumbai, the financial capital of India, and we can see it has won 200 seats out of 288, which is a very good and which shows a strong possibilities of development in the coming future. The as we have seen it was expected the Nifty 50 and bank indices had put up a very good opening yesterday, and the alliance which have came also had a very good impact. It has also a good vision, like they want to make Maharashtra 1 trillion economy by 2028, which has also added to the positive outlook, as we can see. Now what's next, like after Maharashtra election, what next it holds for us? As the government takes charge, it focuses on infrastructure and economic development. As we have seen, the, the government which has came to power has promised a good infrastructure and development in the market. So it will be a very good to consider the market as of now. Okay, and we can see the possibilities of market going ahead, market looking good in the coming days. Now now we will come to the trading. Yeah, so we will look how our stocks is doing great in coming times. Okay, and we have a very good entry position. It was given at 1 110, and now it is trading around 114 1.76 as of now, and it has achieved, I guess, our first target 116. It was a 5% profitability. We will see how it unfolds our positions in the market. Okay, and we will look how our dedicated research team is providing a very good calls for you all. Take the benefit out of it. As we know, we are here to make money. We are not here to lose money. We are already here to make money. Okay, understand that. And we in Dolphin Markets provide a very good and dedicated research to each and every client of us, We have shown our past records. We have shown our past records to us, uh, towards each and every one. Okay, we have shown our past records. As we can see, we have provided a very good entry levels at Hindustan Oil Exploration, Annapurna, Poonawalla, and we have given you the very good returns here. As we can see, we have achieved our profitability a great ahead of 168% profitability in 29 trades. Can you imagine that? If you have invested with us, if you have been with us for last 2 months, you could have achieved very good profitability. The market is always fluctuating, the always volatile, but we provide research in such a way that you are profitable, uh, each and every time, each and every period. You are profitable even with the market falls, and you're profitable even with the market grows. So you can look how our team performs, right? So why not come with us and invest in the market, invest with a team which is very dedicated to the research and providing you calls. Okay, just connect with us for more information. You can ask any question if you have. You can go through our research we provide, and you can go through our calls we give. You can look, like, even yesterday we had provided many calls. Okay, and we look each and every calls which we are doing good, and the stocks which are not performing well also has a very good potential as of now. As we have seen, even with the stocks haven't performed last time, it was performing in the meantime, in the medium term. Okay, so we are very positive about our stocks, and the stocks which are not performing, you can hold for a time being. It will also perform because we have a very good research in that, and we are very confident that each and every stock will perform well. Okay, now coming to the NFL, we will see how this NFL has a very good potential in it. As we have seen, NFL, we have provided our entry point at 110 and 113. And what was the profit? 5% profit level, it was 116, 120. And the first target price was 130.35, and second price was 140 and 150. So we will look how this is going to be a very good investment opportunity for you. Okay, now we will, like the support we had at 1415. Okay, it was so we provided call here when it was breaking out, and we had a very good analysis of that it will go up. Okay, so we have provided a very good upward trends toward here. We can see there is a very good upward trends, and if it goes the same way, we will be easily able to achieve our first target position size of 10 to 15% at 130. As we can see, in the coming December month, we will be able to achieve our 130 mark easily, and towards our greater level of second target price 140.45. Second target of 140.45 easily in the coming months. We have seen there is a resistance here at 120. Once the 120 is going to be crossed, we can see the upside potential of this stock is very good, and we will be able to see its mark making 130, 125, and reaching to its second target of 140 very easily. As we have seen, the stock has already achieved this potential. It was showing at potential at 160, 60, at 160, 161 at some point of time, but it has fallen down due to the market uncertainty, or maybe some not well going business in it. But it has consolidating for a month. Okay, now there we have been seeing a great support here at this position at 100 and 105 mark. Okay, there was a great support, there was a great buying here, and we have seen after it reaches a level of 1 2, there was a buying of two times, and we even see here uh, at the month of June, when the stock was consolidating at around 100, it has pushed its potential to 160 in just a couple of months. As we have seen, the stock is consolidating a lot. Okay, here this marks makes a very good support, as we have seen each and every time this mark is making a very good support here for a stock in the all the terms. Okay, we have seen first there is a stock potential. Okay, and we were seeing there is a strong resistance in 94, 95 mark, which have increased to 100. Okay, we can't see stock falling below 95 as of now. It has a very good support as of 100, and there is a very strong support, like we can see there is a very strong support. There are heavy buyers in it at the 94, 95 levels. Okay, now we will see how this stock is gonna boost your portfolio to a great levels. Okay, we have seen, and we'll also look how this what is National Fertilizer Limited is all about. Okay, National Fertilizers engages in the manufacture of sales and fertilizers of products. It operates to following segments, like it has own fertilizers. Okay, it has fertilizer trading businesses, and there are some other than services. Okay, their own service fertilizer segments include biofertilizer and etc. Okay, now we will look how this national fertilizer is important to us. As we have seen, there has been a growing economy, and there's been demand for fertilizers in India. So we have seen a potential, similar stock potential, uh, which has grown a lot. Okay, there has been national fertilizer giving a very good returns as of now. Okay, now we have a very good analysis on that. There was a support at 1415, but we have recommended you after it broke the support at 110. We have given you a recommendation here. It was an entry position at here. We have given you the entry at 110, and we have achieved our first profitability market at 116. We have achieved our first profitability market at 116. We have given you the 5% profit margin, which you should book as of now. We are seeing a great potential ahead, but a little bit profit you can book as of now, and keep some stocks for the long positions. And if it crosses once it crosses 120 level, once it crosses resistance at 120, we can look ahead to buying this stock again. It will be somewhere like this, around 140 mark easily. We will be able to achieve our second target of 140 mark. Now what we are here for? We are here for making money. Okay, we are here for making money, so you should book your profits. You should book your profit from time to time, so you are able to generate more profit, you are able to enter more trades in it. Okay, so when you are not booking your profit, you are not generating returns. The profit only comes after booking the profit in the stock market. Okay, once you book the profit, the money comes into your pocket, and you are able to trade more. You are able to enter more. And we have a very good research team to provide you the more and more trades. As you have seen in last 2 months, we have provided you a very good research report, and it was a very profitable for each and every one of you. We have provided a 168% return in last 2 months, and the last week returns, we will see it was a 21% return. And for the last 1 month, we have, even if the market has tanked a lot, 10% there was a drop in Nifty, we were still able to provide you with the great returns. With the 52% returns, we were able to generate a great profits for you, each and every one of you. Okay, now we will see the Hindustan exploration, how it's going to be. We have seen, like, there was a as we have seen, there was a strong resistance here at 191. There was a strong resistance at 191. So it has come to that level. It has come to that. There was strong resistance of 191, 192. Now it has crossing that level. Once it crossed that level, we have already indicated that once it is crossed that 190 level, it will be easily making 230 and 2 trade 210 as of now. The stock was falling when we recommended the stock. The stock was falling. The market was very fearful at the time we provided the research, but we were very confident about that. We were very confident that the market will be performing well, and this stock, especially Hindustan Oil Exploration, will give you the good returns. We have already indicated that the market is falling to a level. It can fall to around 200 levels, okay, and it has gone to the some level, like it was touching 180, 185 mark at some point of time, but it has come back to its position. We can see it has crossed 190 position, and it is a very strong support here. It is a very strong support here at 190, 193 level, level which is crossing as of now, and we are very confident that it will reach to its it will reach to its current level. Once it crosses, we can see, once it crosses its position, it will make the mark of 210 easily, and 210 to 13 will be having some resistance, some consolidation, as we can see here. Okay, 210 to 13 mark have some consolidation, uh, will have some profit booking, and after that, once it crosses 230 210 to 13 level, it will be easily able to make its mark. It will be easily able to make its mark towards 230 240 mark. Okay. uh, Now, why you are so positive about this stock? Okay, as we have seen, it's a showing. Yes, even if the market is falling as of now, we have seen a Nifty dipping, not a very, not much, but it's like 10-point dip as of now. We have seen a Nifty dipping only 0.04% and Sensex 0.23% as of now. But still, this stock is performing well. So we can see, like, it has a potential as of now. Even when the market is moderate and the stocks are not performing well, market is not performing well, the stock is performing well. So we can look at its potential. It also broke out the resistance as of now. So we can look how the stocks can perform in coming future. Okay, now, why we are positive, we will know about its businesses. Okay, the businesses and all, it has a energy mineral businesses and integrated oil businesses. Okay, the earning will be coming in next 83 days. We will wait for that. It has a volume of 302.29k, and we will also look at its earning. Okay, the actual the actual earning was 2.93 and the estimated was 3.20 INR, but we are positive for this upcoming quarter. In upcoming quarter, we are very positive. Whatever was the defect at that point of time in the previous quarter will not be impacting as of now. Okay, so we are very positive about that, and we will be able to perform good in coming months. Now, we wanted to know, like, if any of our clients is making a good profit in the stock market. I hope everyone is here for making a profit, right? We are also here to make the profit. We are also here to provide you the advisory which you need for making the profit in the market. So why not come with us, join us, and make the profit with us? We are a very good, as we are talking about it, showing more increase in it. Like, look, it has shown more increase here, like reaching to its 194 195 level as of now, and we are going very good ahead. We will be seeing more growth here. Okay, and I guess, like, we will be generating a 5 to 6% return as of today. The market is showing, the technical is showing very positive for here. Once it reaches here, this level, I guess 197 level we will be able to achieve today, as we have predicted, and there may be some consolidation in that, but it has a very strong support at 190 193 levels, and once it sustains 195 and above level, we will be easily able to see the 210 mark. We can know, we will be easily able to see the 210 mark. Okay, now look, the stock previously has also shown its potential from this range only. From we can see it has a very strong support at 180 levels. The stocks, whenever it comes to 180 levels, either it breaks a lot, it has broken a lot, it has taken a dip here, or it has gone above, to a good level. It was trying to break Like you can see, it was trying to break 215 levels here also. It was consolidating at 215 levels here in the month of July, but it was not able to surpass the 215 levels here. So it was taken a dip. It has taken a dip to 180 levels, and again it was a buying. It was consolidating the stock. Okay, there was a consolidation here, and we are seeing more growth from 180 levels. Once it has crossed all it, there was a resistance here. As we can see, here is a resistance. We can expect a consolidation a bit. Once it crosses the consolidation at this point at 197 198 levels, we will be seeing the stock making a remarkable returns, and it will reach to its previous high. It will, I guess it will break the previous high also. Yeah, but it has a potential. We have predicted that it will make the mark of 240 because it has a very strong consolidation here. Previously the stock was very the market was good, the stock was booming. Okay, but there was a downfall. As we can see, there was also a consolidation here where at 200 levels there has been strong consolidation going here, but there is a support. There is a support at 190 198 levels. Okay, so we can expect that the market is going to be good for Hindustan Oil Exploration. As we see, the market is going to be good at Hindustan Oil Exploration, making its marks to 213 to 20 easily. And once it crosses the mark of 213, we can 213 we can see a strong possibilities of reaching it to level of 230 240 mark. Okay, now we will look whatever the stocks like it is increasing. Now it is increasing a lot. Like we have seen at the 193 194 level, it has increased of 1 point. It has shown an increase in 1 point as of now while we are watching the stock. So you can look into the potential how it holds. Okay, now we will look Nifty, how it's performing today. So we will analyze the Nifty market. As we have previously predicted, there was a strong possibilities that the the market has a strong support at 23,300 levels, and we have seen a very good bounce back from that level, reaching from 23,300 marks. It has opened a gap up as of now. Okay, there was a green candle making after that level, and we have reached to the 24,200 mark. Yes, we were expecting more positivity in the market, but nevertheless the market is very good as of now. There may be some slowdown. Like yesterday there was a Maharashtra and the stocks were very high, so maybe it was there was some profit booking in it. So, but we are very positive about that stock. Okay, we are very positive about that stock, and we will be seeing Nifty going to its previous level. We are going to its previous level of 26,000 mark. It will easily make the 27,000 mark, and we are very positive about the Indian economy. As we can see, there is a strong support at 23,000 level, and it has consolidated again. But it is above its resistance. You can see there was a consolidation going on at the levels of 22,000 mark. There was a profit booking for at 22,700 mark. Okay, but we have seen that it has crossed that levels, and there is a strong resistance at 223,300 mark. So it has crossed that, and it was able to go till 26,000. Okay, and Nifty 50 was able to go till 26,000, and after that, after many factors were affecting the Nifty, the global economy, after the Trump election, Trump was elected into the government. Okay, there was some downfall in it. There was some downfall in the economy, but as we have seen after the winning of Trump election, there was a consolidation in the market. The market was fallen more. There was a negative news going on. There was a possibility of winning the Trump election, and the US had a very great impact because the currency will be depreciated a lot. When the Indian currency is depreciated, it's very bad for the economy. It's good for the some sectors. It's good from some IT sectors. The company which trades with the USA, the company which deals in the dollars, the company which has reserves with the dollars, but it's not good for the overall Indian economy. We know the Trump has a very core The Trump, when Trump comes to power, it has a very core base on in American economy. Okay, it has a very strong focus on American economy, which makes the dollar strong in that term. Okay, as we have seen previously, also the after coming of the Trump, there was a strong possibilities. There was a strong dollars. Okay, trading during his tenure, and now we will see, but that doesn't defines our economy, right? Indian economy doesn't affect is not affected with only US. Indian economy is growing a lot, and it has shown its potential in last 10 15 years. India is growing at a fast rate of 6% per annual growth in GDP terms, and it has shown its return also in the stock market. When you adjust all the inflation is also moderate in India, not in like Western countries when the inflation, or not in like some developing countries like Venezuela, or some small countries where the inflation is very high there. But India is a moderate in all the terms, and we can expect the India to grow a lot. Okay, as we are seeing the NFL and Hindustan Express is doing really well, and we are also seeing the Aventel going good. Everything is in moderate. Okay, not our most of the stocks from Hindustan Oil Express and Annapurna, RBL Bank is not. It is in moderate only. Aventel, which has given good returns previously, is trading at -1%. But we are seeing there is a 4.5% increase in Poonawalla, right? There's a 4.55%. Sorry, 4.5%, uh, 1.2% increase in Poonawalla, and there is an increase of 4.55 points. Like it was trading at 360, it has increased to 4.364.6%. Now we will look what is going to be in the Nifty. We will see how the Nifty is going to unfold. Like as we have previously mentioned, the Nifty has a very strong resistance here, right? At 224,300 level, there is a strong resistance. So I guess uh, there is some consolidation going on here. It will show some consolidation for a few days. It can show some consolidation, but it is not stopping Nifty from going as of now, because there was some negative news and it has broke out with this level. And I guess there will be a strong possibility of breaking this level to 24,500 mark. Once it crosses 24,500 mark, it will be able to reach to its new levels, making it new highs at 26,000, 27,000 easily in coming years, because the Nifty was very moderate, very consolidated this year. So we can expect good returns in coming next year. Okay, even if the Nifty was consolidated and even the Nifty has declined a lot, we were able to provide you with a good returns, right? So we are providing you the research backed by our research team. Suppose even if the Nifty falls for a timing, okay, for a short time, even if the Nifty falls for 5-10%, but some stock grows, right? We analyze that stocks and come to you to provide that stocks, which are the stocks performing well, even in the market, even in the market is deep. So you can grow your portfolio even with the market falls. You don't have to worry about the market falling and getting fear in the market. We are here to provide you the support for each and everything. We will see how the Nifty will perform now. Okay, we have seen like Nifty is moderate. We are not expecting a fall in Nifty. It's just the profit booking we had last time. Uh, from yesterday, there was an increase of there was an increase of I 350 points in Nifty. So there is a mild profit booking, but once it get consolidated here, and there was also resistance at 24,500 levels, 24,400 levels. So once it crosses the resistance, we will be able to make new highs in Nifty. Once this crosses resistance at 24,400 level, it will be able to grow more, and we will see the Nifty going to is making its new high at the levels of we are expecting a Nifty reaching its new high in the next 2-3 months, okay, at 26 27,000 level, and generating great returns for you. we will be able to see we are making a good profit returns for you. You can even look at our profitability here, which we have generated for you, for our clients. Okay, we have generated a profits for our clients and each and every one of you. We have a 168% profitability. Okay, we have a 168% profitability here as of now. From the day we started giving you the advisory, from the day we started to take the entry point, even we have the entry point, opening time and opening date, and it was a we have already provided you with a great remarkable returns. We have closed 29 trades as of now. As we can see, we have closed 29 trades as of now in last 2 months, and it has generated a returns of 168%. Can you think about that? Then can you make it yourself? Okay, so that's why the advisory is important. That's why you need to follow us so we can provide you with a good advisory. So we have a very good research team which provides you the advisory which you need. And we are here in the market for making money. Everyone likes to make money, right? Nobody wants to lose their money in the market. So we will be providing you the great returns if you come with us. We have seen IP rings like it's currently trading as of now. Okay, we have seen making it returns in Zagal. We have closed these positions. Okay, as of now, we are seeing the Aventil. Now we look. We have provided the Aventil stocks, right? We have provided the Aventil stocks previously. Now we will look into the Aventil. We will look into the Aventil. Now we look. Previously, we had an entry position here, right? In Aventel, we have provided you the entry of 145, 146. We had an entry position here. Like, look how our research team is analyzing the stock. We had an entry point here. We will mark the entry point here as of now. We had an entry point here, right? So we made your entry at 145, 146 level, and it was able to reach to a level of 156, 156, 155, which was a first take profit mark for you. In Avental, we had a 5% profit mark, as we can see at take profit at a 155. So we were able to achieve that in Avental. How we were able to achieve that? We had a very good technical analysis on that, and we had a very good resource on Avental. We will also look like what Avental is into the business. Avental is into the electronic technology and telecommunication equipment. Okay, so we are expecting a very good bounce back from 145, 146 level, and it has achieved our first 5% mark. As you can see, we are providing our stocks to you, and it is reaching its mark to a very short term. Most of our stocks are performing well and reaching its mark in a very good term, in a very short term. And the stocks which has not performed well will also perform well in coming times. You don't have to worry about that. We have a very good research on that, and the stocks which is going really good, which is doing really good, will be good for your each and everything, right? We will be providing you with the research, we will be providing you with the analysis and everything. Now we will look like what's the eventual hold for others. Now we will look into the financial. We will also look into the financials. Like we will see what Avental is engages in. Like Avental is a manufacturer of telecommunication equipment. It is it provides customer support services and manages in-house research and development facilities. Also manufactures wireless front-end satellite communication, embedded system, signal processing. So we will see. We have seen that Avental, which is more of a service provider, right? Customer service provider, and also the research development facility in it. And it is not a very good. It has not a very good base, but it is an old company. It has only 412 employees. We can see it's a very small company and it has a very good potential ahead. It has a very good potential ahead. The rental has a very good potential, right? So we can see a lot of returns coming from it. If you hold a rental for a if you hold up Avental, we have booked our profits, right? We are very positive in the long term also. If you book Avental in the medium term, it can provide you very good returns. The ownerships are also great. Okay, there is a 48.63% of uh, closely held shares by promoters, and the free float shares are 50%. So it's a mild combination of both promoters, closely held shares, and the retailers holding shares. Okay, and it has a market cap of 35.6 billion as of now, and it has a depth one very mild depth as compared to the market cap. It is a very mild depth, 1672.67 million, and cash and equivalents is also 85.38 million, enterprise value is 335.76 billion. So we can look at this enterprise value and market cap. It's almost similar. So it's a very good sign for us, right? We will also look into the growth and profitability here. Growth and profitability, as we have seen from the 2019, right? The revenue was in 2019, the revenue was 519 million rupees, and the net income was 107. So we had a net margin of 20.72%. So when the revenue grows a good, and even if the net margin decreases, we had a very good uh, profit, right? Because the volume of the revenue depends a lot. Like suppose we will see here, there is a net margin of 19.74%. As we have as we have discussed now, the net margin was 19.74%, and the net income is 153% because the revenue was increased to 77696 million rupees. Okay, and it has the net margin has also decreased here. The net margin, but it has shown a very good net margin increase in the profitability of 23.42%. The income was 525 million rupees. Here the income was 107 million rupees, and it has increased to 525 million rupees. So you can imagine the stocks is performing, how the stock is performing as of now. It has increased its revenue by 5 times. It has increased its revenue by 5 times. Okay, so look into the potential, and I guess it has a very strong possibility of increasing. It is showing a very positive increase in its revenue, and as the revenue and as the profit grows, as we know, the stocks are the slaves of profit. As the profit grows, as the revenue grows, okay, the stock will follow stock will follow its way to make to the levels. It will match to its level. Okay, now we'll we have seen the overview. We will look into his assets coming here. So the assets was also growing, right? We have it is adding 1.5, 1.78. Okay, and it has increased, it is showing increase in each and every quarter. It is increasing by 37.97% from its previously year on year quarter. Okay, and it has shown a great increase of 44 and 51% in last 2 quarters. So we are seeing how the assets are growing. The assets which is growing to a level which is very good for the company. The more the assets company own, the more it is like, suppose you are owning the assets, it shows like company is performing well, company is planning to do business well, right? So we will come, and it has also decreased in liability. It has also decreased in liability here in the month of 23 September, but it has increase in liability, but not at as much as its growth in assets, right? Liability will also increase. Suppose it is taking loans, suppose it has increased a liability, okay, but it doesn't affect a lot of it. As we have already seen the how we will identify the what are the businesses of it. It has There was a mixed business till 2020. It was selling telecommunication products, services, scraps were there, but from 2021 very there was a mix of two, like healthcare and communication and signal processing products. But the healthcare was very low as compared to the communication and signal products. So basically, all the businesses of communication comes from communication and signal processing products. In from 2021, it has shown a very good increase. Like previously, it was not increasing that much, but as of now, it is showing a very good increase in communication and signal products. And we will also see the P to E ratio. The price to earning ratio is 61% as of now. So, and basic EPS is earning per share is 2.42 INR, which is not much, I guess, as compared to its peer rivals. Okay, we will see how the stock is going to perform ahead. As we have seen that we have made our entry here, right? 145, 144, 145 levels. So we have made our entry here, and we have seen our exit at a 155, 156 level. So we have provided you the mile returns, right? It was a 5% return, and after there was a profit booking, we have made you the exit at 155, 156 level. So it is consolidating now. As we have mentioned previously, why the profit booking is important. Once you book the profit, there is a possibilities of going the stock consolidating. We are seeing how the stock is performing, right? We have a very good experience in the stock market, so we provide research facts on that only. So there was a profit booking at 155 levels. Even we have warned you in the Hindustan Oil Exploration that once it crosses 170, 197, 198 level, it will be performing very good. As we were talking about in Hindustan Oil Exploration, excuse me, as we were talking about in Hindustan Oil Exploration at 197 level, right? It has a very strong resistance there, so it's coming back to its level 193, 194 level, right? It was trading at 194, 195 level, but it is showing some consolidation here. But we are expecting to go good in this stock. We have already recommended this stock at the levels, okay, and we had also provided you with the resistance here, once a support, and once it crosses its support here, it has reached to its support level. Once it breaks out its supports, we will be able to see the making its mark to 210 and 213 levels, right? So it's a very good uh, potential stocks, and we can see the Nifty is also performing. It's going coming to its level as of now. Okay, Nifty is also performing well as of now. Okay, and now the Nifty was trading when we started our session. Nifty was trading mild low. Okay, but it has come toward profitability. We were already telling that, right? The Nifty is not going to be negative as of now. There's no such negative news coming up. The negativity has already impacted our market, and we are seeing a very good support at the levels of this. We have a very good support at the level of 23,300 mark. It has crossed that mark, and now it's making its new high. But it has a strong possibility that it will consolidate here, and after consolidating for a few periods of time, we will be able to see how it's growing, how it's we will see the growth of the Nifty. Okay, we will see the growth of the Nifty making its new high and high again and again. Once it crosses its previous high at the level of 26,000, it's far, I know, but it's not very far as compared to the Nifty potential. The only 10% gain, and once it gains 10% here, we are very confident. Like once it crosses, we will be able to see making its previous high in the month of December or January, and once it crosses high, we will be able to see its growth, right? In last 1 month, 1 week, we have seen a Nifty going to a 3%. Okay, in last 1 month, the Nifty was not very well. Then in last 1 month, the Nifty was moderate. It has not gone down a bit, not gone up a bit. Okay, Nifty was showing only 0.75 return. It was a moderate in terms of, even after a lot of effects coming from the foreign, it was moderate last month. Even after the Trump has won the election, there was not. good positivity in the market going on with the Indian market. Still, it has maintained its levels. It has not fallen up much. And in last week, we have seen a backing it up to a good levels. And last 3 months, we were seeing a small dip, 3.18%. But overall, if you see the returns of the Nifty in last 1 year, it was very good. It has made remarkable returns of 20 to 23%. And if the market was supporting, we could have seen a returns of 30% in this level. But that level was not achieved by Nifty for this year because it had a profit booking, right? When the traders and investors enter in the market, they also book the profit and wait for a good time, so for the fearful situation where they can enter and make trades, retrade again to a good level and make profit again and exit again. It's a market are very volatile, right? So traders wants to make a good profit. The Nifty grows at a level of 12 to 15% on a yearly basis, but a trader and a good investor makes more than that, right? So so we have to wait for the entry position, we have to wait for the exit position. Each and everything is important here. The more you minimize your loss, the more you maximize your profit, the more you book the profit, that is good for you, right? So we will be expecting Nifty to go to its new level. Now, what the customers can get, right? What the customers can get from this live session to make profit. We are here to make profit, most importantly to make good profits from the stock market. We are not here to make loss, right? So join with us, okay, follow our advisory and make money. Believe each and every one of you has the same aim, that is to make money. And the more you make money, the more you live happily. Now we will now we are coming to the end of our session, okay, which has a great we will provide you the short review and we will close the session as of now for today. As we have seen, the Nifty is going really good. It is in a consolidation period for today, but we are expecting a Nifty to close a bit high from its today level. Then Sensex is going to its level, like Nifty was falling short and Sensex was falling short, but it is reaching to its uh, previous levels and making a good returns for you. And we are seeing NFL. We will close the NFL. Like NFL, we have seen it was trading at 113, 114 level when we have started trading, and it is reaching to its level of 115, 116 as of now. So we are recommending a profit booking. 5% profitability we have reached there, so you can book profit at this point of time and wait for re-entry at the point of 120 levels, right? And uh, and we have already, as we have already discussed about the Avental, okay, as we've already discussed about the Avental, we have a closed position at 155, 156. We have recommended that at 145, 146 levels. So we have already closed our position in Avental, but it looks good for the long term also. And we have explained about the Nifty, and we will close this session. I hope you enjoyed this session a lot. Come back to us and we will join again with new updates in the market.